Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best frozen dog toys for cooling down, that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Westpaw Zogoflex Toppl dog toy. This interactive puzzle toy delivers both enrichment and exercise with its bauble design. The cup-like shape has a large open interior, making it great for adding larger quantities of spreadable treats or even fully frozen meals. Rubber teeth protrude from the bottom, slowing down your pup and adding an extra mental challenge. And while it might be tough to fill with water or other liquids because of the opening on the side, your pup's favorite spreads should freeze just fine. Moving on at number 4, we have the Nylabone Chill and Chew. Nylabone is well known for its signature chew toys, and this freezable option is a top choice for cooling down hot pups. Holding up against the needle-like teeth of small breeds, it's still soft and bendy enough to prevent injuring your pup's mouth. Pet parents like the ribbed design for its dental health benefits. But the best part by far? You can fill it with liquid before freezing it, making for a long-lasting chill that comes in tasty flavors like peanut butter, chicken, or lamb and apple. At number 3, we have the Chew King Chill Fill dog toy. Holding up to 1 cup of frozen goodness, this Chew King freezable toy comes in an extra large size that's ideal for cooling down big breeds. The natural rubber design provides soft edges that are gentle on teeth but still strong enough to hold up to large, strong jaws. Pet parents like to add kibble or treats, fill the toy with water, and then freeze it. The secret is to tape off the hole in the bottom, according to reviewers. This toy also comes in large and medium sizes, so smaller dogs can enjoy frozen treats in it, too. At number 2, we have the Hyper Pet Licking Mat. If your dog is more of a licker than a chewer, a frozen treat mat might be the ticket for hot days. Designed with closely knit patterns, the raised textures help clean your pup's teeth. Not to mention that licking can provide a soothing distraction in scary situations. In fact, several Rover test pups use Hyper Pet mats to help with situational anxiety around things like thunderstorms and visitors. Just smear your dog's favorite food onto the mat, then pop it in the freezer overnight for extra licking power. And finally at number 1, we have the Nougat Crocodile Tough and Squeaky Chew. This crocodile toy offers a nice frozen alternative for pups with a low food drive or who are more play motivated. The fun squeaky sound engages your dog's natural hunting instincts, while the rubber texture offers a safe outlet for chewing. Lots of ridges along the sides also promote dental health. In fact, you can even spread your dog's toothpaste on these ridges as an easy way to brush your pup's teeth. Without a frozen filling, this toy may not hold the cold as well as some of the others on our list, but it's favored by pet parents who want a quick cool down without the mess of a spreadable treat or melting broth. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon